Welcome back everybody, Brother Kimo here from Reload Hawaii, and thank you for watching another video. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down at the bottom. Tonight we're going to be talking about how to replace a totally effed up wood laminate plank by using a Dremel, and yep, the return of the sticky stick. This is what I mean by a totally jacked up plank. Let me give you the history behind this. In fact, I'll roll in some pictures while I'm talking. So this used to be a half wall here, and I knocked it over. These were the two conduits that were in there. So I think one was a refrigerator and one went to the air conditioner. But we yanked them out, broke it off, pulled the wire, and this is what's left. So yours might not be as messed up as this, but let's say you have to remove the plank. So I've got these two pieces of tape here that tell me which one I'm working on, and I got them pointed inward so I don't release the wrong plank or cut into it, worse yet, right? And then again, what we're gonna do is we're gonna release both short sides. We're gonna cut down the middle here, take out the plank, take out the tongue on the new one, put some glue on the edges, settle it down, put some weight on it, let it sit for a couple hours, and that should be good. See the link above to learn how to use a sticky stick. Make sure you can see both sides when you're tapping with the sticky stick. And start your cutting. Normally you would want to use something like a plunge saw so you can set the depth. I don't have one, so I'm using a Dremel. I'm kind of overextending what a Dremel should be used for, so you got to take your time. I'm using the wood cutting bit here, so you got to go really slowly. And if you can't get it out with just that center cut, then make a slant like this at the very ending. That should help you get it out. Okay, pry up the rest of the plank, making sure not to damage any of the surrounding planks. Vacuum up all the junk to ensure a nice tight fit. Cut off the tongue on the new plank, so when you're looking at the long sides, there's a thick side and a narrow side. That's the narrow side. You don't have to get it all at once. A couple passes will get it through. Dry fit. You're going to notice there's going to be some areas that stick, so what you're going to do is use some 80 grit sandpaper. Just a few passes will clean it up, like this. Then dry fit it again. If everything is good, then you can just bead your glue in there. Get it back down, and when you stick it in there or smack it down, you can expect some spooge. So no big deal. Wipe it up, dry it out, and get some weight on it. Let it sit overnight. Should be good to go in the morning. All right, guys, that's it. Catch you guys later.